Pete, I know a lot of people are wondering, with that Arctic blast, like how does this winter stack up in terms of warmer, colder, average?
That's the math. Got the abacus out this morning. Let's start with that. So to date, the average temperature today is 48 degrees. So we're just a tad cooler than normal. But do you guys have any idea before the cold snap? And the cold snap was really about 5 days. Now, yes, last Saturday we had a high temperature that barely made it above freezing. But other than that, just that 5-day stretch. If we hadn't had that 5-day stretch, do you know how warm it would have been the winter if we just excluded that 5-day stretch? Prior to that cold snap, it was the 6th warmest winter on record. And then the cold snap happened, and now we're 0.3 of a degree cooler than normal. Precip to date, we've only picked up a tad more than 1. We're 4.5 inches below normal. So it's the 5th driest winter to date. Now we're above normal with our snowfall because we had 2.4 inches. That puts us 2 inches above normal. So the forecast for the rest of the winter, which meteorological winter is December, January, and February. The forecast for the remainder, it's really just the rest of this month, which is about 3 weeks or so. Warmer than normal for the rest of this month and dry, near normal with our rainfall as we head through the remainder of the month. So the normal rainfall for the month of February is 2.76, so we'll be close to that. That's what the long-term projections show. We better get a lot of rain that last week of February because I don't have any rain I have a little rain in my forecast the next 14 days, but just 2 days out of the next 14. We'll see where that shapes up. How about snow the next 10 days? No snow across the state of Texas. If you want to see snow in the next 10 days, you have to head out to the Rockies, parts of the upper Midwest, parts of the Great Lakes, certainly parts of New England, and then mid-Atlantic state, but none here in the southern plains. For us, we have nothing other than a couple of clouds out there right now, and that's all I have in my forecast tonight. Just a few clouds, dry and cold, light winds, 39 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, partly to at times mostly sunny. Maybe a sprinkle tomorrow, but most of us are dry, cooler and breezy. We hit 57 tomorrow. The next 14 days, remember yesterday was 70, today was 67, tomorrow's 57. And then we warm right back up on Thursday to 64 degrees on Thursday. And then look at that. Friday, 70s, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we have 70s in the forecast, kind of spring-like. And then Tuesday, day 7 on that 14-day forecast, there's a low chance of rain that day. And then the final 7 of the 14 days, I have one more chance of rain. That's Friday, February 13. Other than that, I mean, we have 70s in our forecast starting Friday. That stays with us through the following Friday. So a week of 70s, and then Valentine's weekend, we have high temps in the 60s. And then some 60s and 70s that follow that. So kind of spring-like once we get to the day this coming Friday and for the days ahead. Not bad at all. But no rain other than those 2 times over the next 14 days. So we're going to have to really make up the rainfall deficit as we head through the end of February. But for the first half, pretty dry.